Hi, I've seen a few videos on YouTube where people have a go at doing a dark theme in Microsoft Excel. I've noticed a few issues. Often the grid lines, they don't get to work, or charts don't have a dark background as well. Or when you're coming to print, you're needing to select the whole sheet and then change the background color. Is it possible to have dark theme without having these issues? Let me show you how. Let's start with a bit that most people get right. If you come into File and Options, there's this Office background and Office theme area. If you pick Office theme black, you'll get a good dark set of menus. There's also a slightly lighter colored one as well. The next thing you're going to want to do is start up Microsoft Paint and go and make yourself a PNG file which just has a black background. Next, jump back to your Microsoft Excel, go to Page Layout, and then select Background and browse for that file. Now your worksheet has got a black background, and you'll notice your grid lines still work. Next, you'll want to deal with the font. Go to the normal style, modify, format, pick a color that's sort of mid-range grey. Then you can see your text, and even if you were to be in a white background, you can still see your text. Next issue, when you create new sheets, they have a white background. We don't want this. So instead, clean out your sheet and do move or copy, create copy, and repeat that process a few times. Now you've got some sheets you can work with that are going to have the black background straight away, and you can always use that move copy feature to create some more. If you're wanting to work with charts, you probably want them to have a dark background as well. Go to Page Layout, go to Colors, Customize Colors, set your light 1 background to be black. Now any new charts will also have a dark background. When you're happy with your sheet, save it as a template. Choose the type Excel template. You'll notice it gets saved in the Custom Office Templates folder. If you want to create a new spreadsheet using that template, just click on the New part when you're doing New and go to your Personal, and then your Excel Dark Theme template will be there. Click that and it will create a new spreadsheet based on that template.